Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. And you know it's Raymore Reviews. So we're just doing a quick drive-in video, as you probably realize in the title. Taking a quick look at this development in Portmore, the G-Tech Park. So this building here is a three floors BPO complex that's being developed by Garden 20. So it's a BPO complex. Other technical or technology company will be over there as well, and then on the other side they're developing a plaza. So this is the G-Tech Park off the Municipal Boulevard in Portmore. What I'll do is to link the previous video both in the description and the comments. That is a lot more detail, because this is just a quick driving video, just showing you guys a quick update as well. Remember, if you're new, if you haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. It's completely free. Join the family, and definitely leave your comments as well. The last time we were over here, the building wasn't yet painted, so we see that work is going on steadily during COVID, because now they're painted. Windows have gone in as well, so they're on their way. So G-Tech Park, Portmore, leave your comments, remember to share, and remember to subscribe. So we're just taking a quick drive around, and then we go on Braeton Parkway. We're now on the Municipal Boulevard, just outside of the country club. So stay tuned guys, let's take a quick drive around. Alright, so this is the other side. So this is where the main entrance will be, and that's a shot from the front. So it's 3 floors. This side hasn't yet been painted, but all the windows have gone in, so that's good. Yeah, so all the windows haven't gone in. I'm assuming all the front will be complete glass. Most modern building nowadays has a lot of glass finishing, so I'm thinking it's the same thing here. So this is the G-Tech Park, Portmore. It's coming soon. We'll try to give you guys a glimpse of the billboard as well. So the billboard showing that it is glass for real. So let's take a look at the billboard. So that is the billboard. So let's zoom in. The design is a little bit different from the billboard, but glass at the front, glass at the side. So not the exact thing. But leave your comments guys. G-Tech Park, another BPO that's one of the biggest and fastest growing industries. It's providing a lot of jobs, a lot of young people. It's getting employment through the BPO. A lot of persons with degree and even masters are in the BPO industries. So jobs are being created. That's one side of the story, but you do have some other persons that is pushing a point, saying that, you know, the jobs are not paying a lot, and with the whole BPO jobs, a lot of persons will not be able to, you know, get a home, you know, get different major life accomplishments, because all they can do with a BPO salary is basically pay rent. So that's the other side of the story. But at the end of the day, it's employment for a lot of people. On this side now, they will have a plaza. I'm already seeing this plaza in the Liguanea being listed for rent, so persons can start applying to rent spaces on this plaza. So that's being developed as well. Not sure if there will be any other buildings on the compound, but the plaza look as if it will be at least 3 floors, but let's see. There's no final look for the plaza, there's no billboard for the plaza, so let's find out. Yeah, so this is G-Tech Park, this is Portmore, right next to Portmore Pines, right in front of Portmore Country Club. So we're going back on the main, then head on to Braeton Parkway. Stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, remember to comment and share. Alright, so we are now on Braeton Parkway. And then on the right is the Portmore Country Club. On the left we're gonna be passing one of the police stations in Portmore. This is the Greater Portmore Police Station, and then that building on the left with the blue roof that we're passing is the new municipal building for Portmore. Based on how it looks, I think they'll probably soon do a grand opening. It's all painted up and everything, so I guess probably right after the general elections they'll do a grand opening. It has a very nice design. I have a video as well which is a little bit more in depth, so I'll link that in the description for you guys as well. So Braeton Parkway, we're just coming off the Municipal Boulevard, showing you the G-Tech Park. Alright guys, so remember to leave your comments, remember to like the video, share the video as well. And again, it was a quick driving video just highlighting some key areas, key developments happening in Portmore right now. So as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing, thanks for everything. Alright, and see you on another driving video, and thanks for watching the video so far. So we're just outside of Manza and Daytona.